Hello everyone and welcome to Network Marketing Series episode 3. In this video, we will get to know about the correct way of doing network marketing business. Often people ask questions like, it has been 4 to 5 years since then we are doing network marketing business, but still there are no signs of success. Or questions like, how can I increase my check size in network marketing when I am in this business and doing this business for more than an year? So in this video, we will decode all the possible reasons as to why one does not achieve success in this industry. Well, network marketing is a pretty well-versed distribution process and it carries the potential to convert any common man into a millionaire. But there is a proven time-tested formula to reach there. If you follow and implement this formula wisely, we guarantee that you will definitely achieve success in your network marketing business. Are not you excited to know very detail of that formula? So let's start it. Many of you must have heard about the 80-20 Pareto principle. The principle simply says that 80% of the results you get comes from the 20% of efforts you made. The law is universally applicable, be it your academics, your job, or your dream business. That is network marketing business. Now here comes the next crucial step. That is how you can apply this principle practically in your real life, so that we could achieve 80% results from our 20% efforts. But before going deep into this, we must know that we have to go through 3 important phases when you enter the network marketing business. The first one is the beginning phase, second is the momentum phase, and the third one is the stability phase. So what is the beginning phase? Beginning phase marks your entry into network marketing industry. It is that time when you take the decision to do this business. Now people here get mostly stuck while taking self-decision, as they are very vulnerable into making mistakes during this phase. Like they leave their jobs at the first and do not keep any source of income open, and they keep showing plans in the market with hyper excitement even without taking the help of their uplines. They share their company's name and its details immediately on their every social media handles. They start to promote their products without personally even using them. And the most common of all, not giving any importance to any meetings and the seminars. People often make these mistakes, and when they do not get their desired results, they end up blaming the industry for their failure. And that is why today we are here to give you the solution to these problems all at once in this video. During the early 1 to 2 years of your journey in network marketing, you shall be entirely focused on learning and nothing else. Network marketing industry carries the potential to take you to the next level altogether, but only when you are willing to learn. The second most important tip is to keep at least one of your income sources open. Do not leave your current profession or your job entirely while doing your network marketing business. Follow the 80-20 Pareto principle. That means give 80% of your time to your job and 20% to your network marketing business. The only condition is to genuinely devote this 20% to this business with 100% of your hard work. Eventually, the income you receive from this 20% effort you make will soon overpower your income from the other 80% efforts. But this process takes time, because network marketing is a business of patience with power of duplication. Duplication here means to transfer the exact same knowledge to your downline, which your upline gives you, to create a competent team. The next big challenge is to choose wisely among who you have to invite for the business and to whom not. Many people get stuck at this challenge before deciding who to invite and who to not. You must make a list first of all. The people that come to your mind whom you think you can talk about this business. Making a list will help you to filter out people as to between whom to invite for the business and whom to not. Not everyone can become your prospect in network marketing, and you must know about it. To figure out the prospects that you wanted to invite for your business, you must know who to put in your merit list. And to acquire this skill, you must invest in the hot-selling ebook of Tegunity.com by the name List Building: The Ultimate Formula. You can easily find it in the description box below. Now let us talk about the second phase, that is the momentum phase. If you even related to at least one of the points discussed above in the phase 1, then congratulations, you have found your solution and upgraded to the next phase. So let us get started with the phase 2. This is the phase where you get to see several changes in your lifestyle. Like you will start earning a handsome amount of income, you will see a change in your personality, you will definitely be more confident as compared to earlier, and the most beautiful thing that happens is all the visionary people you need in your team must have joined you by now. This is the stage where you have the responsibilities of others on your shoulders too. People tend to make a lot of mistakes in this phase. Some of them are being overconfident, keeping a bossy attitude, and last but not least, overconfidence of thinking that since I have a good team now, I don't need to show the plans. And this is the work that my downlines have to do, and I will earn passively, and this does ends up very often as a huge mistake. We all know that network marketing is the business of duplication. So if we only put an end to this duplication, how can we expect our team to practice the same or expect an increase in the business? Enough of problems, isn't it? Now let's talk about their solutions today. In this momentum phase, it is very crucial to keep in touch with your upline and follow his or her each advice that will help you to grow in the business. This is because if you remain in constant touch with your upline, and share each and every small or big update of your business and your team, you might be able to learn something that you might not find in the books even. Now just do not misinterpret this. By saying this, we do not mean that one should not read any book, because reading is equally more important while doing the business, but we also require the support of our upline while growing our business. To see constant growth in your team, you need to show daily plans, because that is when only the law of average will work. And at this point, we advise you to not leave the side of 80-20 Pareto principle here too. This means to invest 80% of your time in your profession while 20% in your business. This is because there was no one in your team in the first phase. Therefore, before taking any great decision, you must need at least 5 people to be duplicated as you from your team in phase 2. Now let us move to the most important and to the final phase of network marketing, that is stability phase. This stability phase is a dream phase. This is the phase where you have learned a lot from the business. Your role has become very important till now because there are people now who follows you and want to be like you. And to reach this phase, everyone has to pay some price, and that price is your hard work, your consistency, bunch of failures and hard situations, etc. By overcoming this only, you can enter this phase, and mind that this takes time of at least 5 years, as network marketing is an organic business, and now is the correct time when you can take the decision to join the network marketing business as your second profession. Till now, you must have realized that network marketing is absolutely an easy business to do if done correctly and with the right mindset. People generally fail here because they do not know the right way to do this business. With this video, we have tried our best to make you understand the correct way of doing network marketing business. Hope you found it useful. Well, we'll see you in the next 4th episode of Network Marketing series, where you will get to know about the tips that will help you while choosing right company for you to work in. So this is Divya from Tegunity Academy. We'll see you soon in a very new video. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Jai Hind.